Hey, it's Elena from Tent and Lantern. If you're like me and love finding new ways to make camping more fun and efficient, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the world of IGT tables. So we're going to start off with opening this sucker up. I was really excited and kept checking my deliveries for today. Has anybody else just stopped checking your front porch and started checking your phone for like the delivery notification? Like it's too hard to walk outside and see if something has shown up, so we're just going to look it up on our phones instead. All right, so out of the box, it comes in this nice carrying case, which, you know, we like. That's easy. I did order this from AliExpress. You can get them on Amazon now, so I'll place the links in the description to make it easier for y'all. All right, so got one section, another section shorter, another wider section. This is going really well. Let's heave a little bit. Ooh, that's nice. Folds open really easily. IGT stands for Iron Grill Table, but don't let the name fool you. These tables are so much more than just grills. They're modular, customizable, and incredibly versatile. One of the coolest features of IGT tables is how easy it is to swap out different modules. Just pop it in. There is the base table. This does have the ability to rise up and down, so you can make this taller, more of a traditional work surface, or if you want to just sit and enjoy a cocktail with your friends while you cook, there you go. Let me show you how versatile these tables are. Here I have the stove module set up, which is perfect for making a meal. And then when it's time to clean up, you just swap in the sink module. Super easy. These tables are designed to be functional and convenient, so if you need extra storage, there's a module for that. You want to use it as a table, just add the flat surface back in. And the possibilities are endless. It's really, really flexible. As a matter of fact, most IGT modules from various different makers all fit the same standard sizes. So once you have the frame, you can mix and match from whatever manufacturer makes whatever module you want. Then when your camping trip is over and it's time for everybody to go home, everything breaks down easily and fits back into your car without any hassle. It's super convenient. So, is this the end of traditional camp tables? It might be. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tent and Lantern for more camping tips and gear reviews, and leave a comment below. Have you tried IGT tables? Have you been seeing them on your socials? What's your favorite module? I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe, stay wild, and wander often.